Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of trigonometry and exploring the values of trigonometric ratios for some very special angles. We will be focusing on angles of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These angles are crucial because their trigonometric values can be easily memorized and used to solve many trigonometric problems. Before we jump in, let's quickly refresh our memory on what trigonometry ratios are. In trigonometry, we deal with the right angle triangle. These triangles have one angle that measures exactly 90 degree. Trigonometric ratios relate the side of these triangles. We have six main ratios. This is our triangle. This angle is the right angle triangle, which is 90 degree. Suppose this is our angle theta that we are considering as of now. So opposite side is opposite to the angle theta, which is A. Adjacent side is adjacent to the angle theta, which is B. And the opposite side of the right angle triangle is hypotenuse. We are having basically six trigonometric functions. First one is the sine theta. Sine theta relates to the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. Cos theta relates to the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite side divided by the adjacent side. Sec theta is hypotenuse divided by the adjacent side. Cosec theta is hypotenuse divided by the opposite side. And cot theta is adjacent side divided by the opposite side. Over here we have defined the relationship between the sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta and cot theta to remember the value of all the different angles that we will be discussing in few minutes. Based on these relations, we need to remember the value of the sine theta, and using these functions for this relationship, we can derive the value of the other functions. Sine 0 is equal to 0. Sine 30, which is equal to 1 upon 2. Sine 45 is equal to 1 upon under root 2. Sine 60 is equal to under root 3 by 2. And sine 90 is equal to 1. Now, how we will remember these values, right? So, what is the trick is that first we need to write 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We need to divide all this value by 4. So, 0 by 4 is 0, 1 by 4 is 1 by 4, 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. This is 3 by 4 itself and this is equal to 1. Now if we take the square root of this value, square root of 0 is 0, square root of 1 upon 4 is 1 by 2, square root of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 upon under root 2, square root of 3 by 4 is equal to under root 3 by 2 and square root of 1 is 1. So based on that, we can remember the value of the sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60 and sine 90. Again, I'll repeat the step that we need to write 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We need to divide by 4. We need to simplify the ratio which is 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 1. We need to take a square root of this ratio which is 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon under root 2, under root 3 by 2 and equal to 1. So this is the value of the sine theta that we have derived by using this method. Okay. Now, how we will remember the value of the cos theta? As per the previous video, cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. So let's say cos 0 is equal to sine 90 minus 0, which is sine 90, which is equal to 1 that we have derived from this above. Similarly, if we want to derive the value of the cos 30, which is equal to sine 90 minus 30, which is equal to sine 60, which is equal to under root 3 by 2. So over here, the value of the cos 30 is under root 3 by 2. If you want to remember the value, we need to, put this 1 over here, under root 3 by 2 over here, 1 upon under root 2 here, 1 by 2 over here, and 0 over here, right? So it's exactly the reverse order of the sine value, right? So for sine value, we need to travel in this direction, both this direction, or for cos value, we need to move from this direction. Now, how we will define the tan theta? So tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. So tan 0 is equal to sine 0 divided by cos 0. Sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So value of tan 0 is 0. Similarly, if you want to find the value of the tan 30, tan 30 is equal to sine 30 divided by cos 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is under root 3 by 2, which is 1 upon under root 3. So similarly, we can derive all the values over here. Tan 90 is not defined because of tan 90. If we write the value over here, tan 90, which is equal to sine 90 divided by cos 90, which is 1 upon 0, which is undefined. Right? So that's why it's not defined. Similarly, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. So we need to reciprocate this value. So 0 over here is 1 upon 0, which is not defined. Here 1 upon 2, so value is 2. 1 upon root 2 reciprocal is root 2. Under root 3 by 2, its reciprocal is 2 under root 3. 1 reciprocal is 1. Similarly, sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. So we need to reciprocate this value to over here. Reciprocate of 1 is 1. Reciprocate of under root 3 by 2 is 2 under root 3. Reciprocate of 45 is 1 upon under root 2 is root 2. 1 upon 2 reciprocate is 2 and 1 upon 0 is not defined. Cot theta is reciprocate to the tan theta. So cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So reciprocate of 0 is not defined. 1 upon under root 3 is under root 3. Reciprocate of 1 is 1. Reciprocate of under root 3 is 1 upon under root 3. And reciprocate of 1 not defined. Non-defined is 1 upon 0. So reciprocate of 1 upon 0 is 0 upon 1, which is equal to 0. So over here it's a 0. So based on this, we can remember this trigonometry table. If you are curious to explore more advanced trigonometric concepts, stay tuned for future videos. In meantime, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures in the math. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep exploring the exciting world of mathematics.